I'm going to talk to you about earth and air. It is not an uncommon combination, but not always easy. Where the earth needs the basic, keep me grounded. I want a house that's a sanctuary. I need everything solid, and I need everything safe. Air never can be bored. So what they want is to travel. They like a nice home, but they don't like everything basic. So this is the first combination that there's a lot of work to be done. It doesn't mean that the air doesn't find the earth fascinating, because they do. They like the earth in reference to they keep the air solid. They make the meals, they fix everything around the house, they take care of children. Where the air says, let me challenge my mind, let me go out and have a purpose in work. I love to travel. So those two differences can be made better by each one doing what they can do and do well. Okay, Taurus, if you're going to date an Aquarian, know that this is going to be something that will challenge you. You know that you can be stubborn. You know that you can at times demand a lot. And you need loyalty, and you need someone to be there a lot. Well, with an Aquarius, you've got to find out that that person is a loner. So you are more possessive, needing to be together, where the air, the Aquarian, needs space. Give me my space. And in you, Taurus, you can't get insecure about knowing that that's what they need. And if you want to talk to them about something, talk to them and tell them you need their attention. Aquarius is very bright. You'll like that, Taurus. Aquarius is honest. You like that, Taurus. Aquarius they are their own people, and that appeals to you as well. So as long as you know that you're going to have to say, hey, I need you to hear this, then you'll be a lot happier with an Aquarius. Now we're going to talk about you with the Gemini. Oh, the Gemini with all the spark and needing to see the world, needing to learn, always learn. Very important. There's some Geminis that are very creative. They will dance, they will sing, they will play the piano. They're very, very fun. And then there are some Geminis that are more business oriented and very much more serious than the one that is out there showing the world who they are. At times, Taurus, you may get insecure with that kind of person, someone that's out there, and that person becomes very self-absorbed. That is something that makes you insecure. They are fun, but they really need you to kind of obey. Now, you're not very good on obeying. So that's not going to be too exciting for you. But the Gemini likes you. The Gemini likes the Taurus because you have creativity, you have a style, and they like that. So that part of you they very much like. They just don't want you to say, you can't do that. Or if they want to try something new, you can't say, you can't do that. They have to try something new. So if you work together, it could be a good team. Now, Taurus, I want you to think about being with Libra. That's a very popular couple. Because Libra loves the Tauruses loyalty, softness. They enjoy that. Both Libra and Taurus are quite creative, and they can do stuff that are creative together. Both Taurus and Libra like athletics. They can be athletic together. Both Taurus and Libra love the theater and music and all of that. That can be very lovely. The only thing, both of you get insecure when anything's said to you that you feel unhappy about. So you got to say to yourself, I'm not going to be mean. I'm not going to get angry. I'm just going to talk. And if you talk to each other, it could be a very good team. Now let me invite you to the next lesson, where we're going to talk about Taurus and water. I'll see you there.